check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. Check out the latest Ferrari FXXK 12-volt battery electric kids ride-on car. The original one got their heads turning, but the new and improved one will definitely stop them in their tracks. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, startup engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our Bluetooth adapters, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Rear suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Padded leather style seats. The Lambo style doors have an integrated hydraulic swing arm, making this model stand out from the crowd. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. The in-vehicle remote control switch allows you to manually disconnect your remote from the car. The livery on this car has been designed to spark your child's imagination. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.